If you want to eat eggplant in the future, just do it like this. Our spicy dishes are truly a feast for the eyes, nose, and palate. They taste just like those made by a hotel chef. Who says eggplants have to be deep fried after buying them? That's a big mistake. I'm not today. I can make dishes that taste just like those made by a hotel chef by deep frying. When you buy eggplants, you should first give them the heads, like I did. Remove the eggplant I made today. If the skin is thin, we don't need to remove it because eggplants contain a lot of anthocyanins. Then we cut it like this. I'm asking you guys here. I'd like to ask you guys about this. If you buy an eggplant, do you prefer it braised or... Yes. I like steamed. So what I did today. Oh, I reckon that out of 9 people, maybe 10, have never seen or even eaten this before. At that time, there are many older brothers and sisters. Question. So this eggplant, what to do if it doesn't explode? Watch closely. Okay, let's put the chopped eggplant into the steamer. Then we put the lid on the pot and turn the heat to high until steam rises. We'll time it for 8 minutes and see how it goes. To avoid us getting flustered later, let's scoop out some sauce. Let's prepare 1.5 bowls first. Clear water is like this spoon of mine. Put the light soy sauce in this spoon first. A spoonful of dark soy sauce is for coloring. Don't use too much, just a little. Finally, squeeze a little more oyster sauce into it. Hey, the key thing is, look closely, it's this pea starch. We need to use a spoon like this to make the noodles. Then the seasoning is very simple. Add some salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, and pepper to the dish. One last time. Order this sesame oil. I'll just let him stir things up like this. I'm here every day, sharing delicious and simple home-style recipes with my fellow brothers and sisters. If this helps your cooking skills even a little bit, could you please give me a thumbs up? Please follow and offer encouragement and support. My younger sister has unknowingly updated dozens of recipes. If you like them, you won't regret it. It's okay if my brothers and sisters do it. You can check out my sister's homepage. If you're worried about not being able to find me, just follow me. That will make it easier for me to find you in the future. Thank you, everyone. This eggplant is almost ready. Let's take a look. Look, the eggplant is already steamed until it's soft. My hand is a little hot. Let's find a rag, shall we? It was brought out and left to cool slightly. At this time, we prepare a pot, and I'll tell you, pour in a lot of cooking oil, because eggplant doesn't. Don't worry about the oil absorption. It will absorb oil when we eat it. Next, pour in the chili, garlic, and diced chili that we prepared beforehand. Noodle. Then we'll stir fry it to bring out its aroma. After. Look how pretty this eggplant is. Now let's gently put it into the pan. Then that's it. Shake it a bit to make it. After draining the water from the eggplant and bringing out its aroma, let's look at it. Okay. Let's mix the seasonings that Mom prepared in advance. Then after it's done, he stuck it here. The shoes were on top, and then the water instantly came out. At this moment, we were like this. Shake it to keep the shoes still. I told him to mutter for 5 minutes in those 2000. We'll see how it goes. How's the bottom of this eggplant? We've checked the moisture content, and now we're on top. Sprinkle more garlic on the noodles. Because this eggplant loves garlic, sprinkle a lot of garlic on top. Let's sprinkle some more charming chopped green onions. Wow, if you ever want to eat eggplant again, just do it like I do. It'll be amazing. It looks, smells, and tastes amazing. Wow, everyone! Doesn't this eggplant look incredibly appetizing? If it's out of 100, how many points would you give my little sister? I'll try it out for you guys first and see how it tastes. How is this? It's a bit hot. Should I go? The rich soy sauce flavor is really good. I highly recommend you try this and follow me so your cooking won't fail.